In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Meta AI video. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to keep a copy of an AI-generated clip on your device, plus what to expect when a direct download isn't available. The easiest path is almost always using Meta AI's built-in options. Start by opening the generated video inside Meta AI. On mobile or desktop, look for the Share button. This is your gateway to saving. When the Share panel opens, check for buttons labeled Download, Save Video, or Export. Any of these means you can grab the file directly. Select the option you see, then follow the prompt to choose where it should go. On a phone, that might be your Photos or Gallery app. On a computer, it usually lands in the Downloads folder unless you pick a different location. If the app asks for permission to save to your library, allow it so the video can be stored successfully. Give it a moment to finish. Larger clips can take longer, and try to keep the app in the foreground until the save completes. Not every Meta AI video experience offers a direct download. Sometimes the Share panel only provides a link. If you don't see a download or save video button, don't worry. Open the video, tap Share, and choose Copy Link. Keep that link somewhere you can find it later, like a Notes app, a message to yourself, or a dedicated folder for project links. When you're ready to turn that link into a file, use a video downloader that supports Meta AI video URLs. These tools are designed to recognize the link and provide a file you can save to your device. As with any download, a stable internet connection helps, and make sure you have enough storage space so the save doesn't fail partway through. Before you wrap up, be aware of watermarks. Meta may add a watermark to AI-generated videos you download. Some users notice that the version previewed inside Meta AI looks clean, while the downloaded copy includes a visible mark. That difference is normal and is added on Meta's side. If the presence of a watermark matters for your project, check the downloaded file early so you can plan around it. That's all there is to it. Use the built-in download or save video option when it's available, and when it's not, copy the link and use a compatible downloader. Keep your links organized, watch for permissions and storage prompts, and expect watermarks on saved files. You're now ready to reliably save Meta AI videos to your device.